on YouTube? Welcome back to the Minion Motor Show. Hit the like button or dislike button, I don't really give a shit. Hit the red button that says subscribe if you want. Hit the little bell next to it if you want. If you don't, whatever. Watch this video, all my videos in full if you want. If you don't, I understand. So whatever. I'm just busting my ass and I don't really give a shit anymore. It's like, you know, everybody on YouTube busts their ass to try to make good videos or put content out and whatever, and it's just not working out for everybody like it should. Basically, us content creators are on the back burner nowadays, so it doesn't matter. Whatever. You know. Anyways, this wash that I go through, I literally just got done 2 minutes ago. I rode up here, up that hill by that old house, over to here, up this dirt trail, over to here, and went all the way down, and I went through there. There was a bush right in the center of the goddamn trail that every time I rode over it, it throw you off your balance and you dig into the sand and almost fall. So I kind of just cruised through there already. I took that bush and the other little piece of the trash, threw them out of the wash. Went down a little bit further, there were some rocks in there that needed to get thrown out, and these big chunks of dirt right at the end around that last hairpin turn. Picked those up and got rid of those, smashed a couple of them and made it all smooth. So there was a little bit of trail maintenance I just did. I mean, I literally just got done. So let's go roll this thing, see how good it is now without all that shit. worried there for a second about that truck, because I'm like, what the hell is this? You know, who the hell is this? And that big ass truck. But it was all good. As you see me right here in this sand right here, kind of struggling a little bit, because you got to keep your momentum up, man. I shifted down the first. I was just kind of slowly rolling, so you gotta. Oh yeah, it scared me for a second. I didn't see my truck there for a second. I'm like, uh-oh. But yeah, you gotta be in second, third gear or whatever. You gotta just be on the throttle. You don't have to ping it. You just gotta, you know, just kind of hold it halfway. Just whatever. And then kind of lean back a little bit, because the front tire is going to float right through it. You know, the front tire just goes kind of right over it. It's just the back tire that digs down. It's just, you know. But yeah, some of y'all, if you go back through some of my older videos, you'll see that wash that I just rode through on that hill, coming down that hill, then before I come along the freeway and underneath it, you'll see what I'm talking about. Like, there's a big pile of bushes right in the center of the thing, right before that bush slapped me in the side of the helmet and the camera probably. Yeah, it was right before that. And that last hairpin turn before I'm going right towards the freeway, there was a bunch of you probably saw it in this video where I was walking around and all that shit and all the disturbed dirt. That's where I had to do some of the cleanup too, so that's so much nicer. I can kind of just flow through there now and just kind of you know, so it's kind of nice. A lot nicer. So, oh damn, still have a long tread left on this rear tire. I don't know how many people are out there watching my videos that ride dirt bikes or dual sports, but DOT approved front and rear 216MX on the front, 525 cheater on the rear from Shenko tires. I'm telling you what, dude, I've put, what am I at, 49.4 hours. That means I've put about 30 hours on that rear tire. About 30 hours. And it's still holding up. And you know, the front one, I think I had like 10 hours on it. Doesn't have any of the hairs anymore, and it's starting to round out just a little bit on the corners, but you know, it grips. They both grip really good, except when your front tire is half. You know, one of my last videos I just made earlier today, I had to go over to the bike shop right there because I rode over to the Shell station over there on the other side of and their air thing wasn't working, so I had to come back underneath the freeway and go over the hill, and unfortunately go to the bike shop because today's Saturday. Gabe's closed today, DTS is closed today, and there's no way for me to get there unless if I drive my truck down there with my bike. But I just said fuck it, whatever, I'm just gonna stop in there and be like, hey, can you guys put, and it's weird, it was only like 3 psi difference in that front tire. The front tire was down like 3 psi, but it made such a horrible difference. I mean, I got no grip in the sand at all with 3 psi less than what I had on there. I mean, you'll see it before this video, of course, but I dropped my bike in this wash right down here, and I would gouge the shit out of my front fenders. But you know what? Like I said, a Turbis, that only gouged out because of the fact that I hit rocks. And it's not even that bad, it's just a little cosmetic BS. I need more damn Rockstar stickers. I'm gonna have to get some. I'm gonna have to talk to DTS and see if they can't get me some more of these Moto Triple X stickers. I'm gonna have to get some more American flag stickers because these things are starting to peel off. But yeah, I'm happy with the day. I'm not gonna bore you guys anymore. Catch you guys on the flip side. Deuces.